In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Trello account. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks, managing projects, and collaborating with your team. If you're new to Trello or looking to create an account, you found the right guide. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get you started on Trello. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by Trello's homepage. It's a sleek and straightforward interface designed to guide you efficiently. Here, you'll want to look for the invitation to Get Trello for free. This is where you'll begin your journey. Clicking this button will direct you to a sign-up page where you can start the process of creating your account. Now it's time to enter your email. It's important to use an email that you have direct access to because Trello will send you a verification link as part of the sign-up process. Make sure you've entered it correctly, and once you're confident it's correct, move on by clicking the sign up button. After you sign up, Trello offers some initial guidance by asking, what brings you here today? While this step is optional, it can help Trello tailor its suggestions and interface to better suit your needs. However, if you prefer to skip this part, feel free to click the skip option. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your first board. Think of boards in Trello as a big workspace where you'll manage all your tasks and projects. Start by giving your board a name. It can be something specific to a project or a general title like personal tasks. Once you've named your board, you'll move on to naming your first list. Trello suggests a common setup with 3 core lists: to do, doing, and done. You can start with these or customize them to fit your workflow. So go ahead and name your first list to do. This is where you'll add tasks that need attention. Following to do, create another list titled Doing for tasks currently in progress. And finally, name the last list Done for tasks you've completed. This simple yet effective structure can help streamlining task management. After setting up your lists, it's time to create some cards. Cards are like individual tasks or items within your lists. Name a few cards to help visualize what you'll be working on. Now that your board and lists are set up, you might consider inviting team members. Simply enter an email address to send them an invite, but don't worry if you're not ready to do so just yet. You have the option to skip this step. Before you wrap up the process, it's vital to verify your email. Head over to your inbox and find the verification email from Trello. Click the verification link, which will authenticate your account and finalize the setup. Lastly, enter your full name and create a secure password for your account. A strong password will help protect your data and ensure security. Once you've entered your information, click on continue and you're all set. Welcome to Trello and happy organizing.